Hey there, welcome to Wet Sounds. Today we're going to show you how to transform your ride with our top-of-the-line audio kit for your Jeep Wrangler JL body. This kit is available in 2 different levels. Today we're going to cover level 2, which consists of tower speakers, amplifier, and level control unit. Let's dive in. For amp installation of the SYN DX4, please refer to our Jeep Level 1-C install video. From the driver's seat, remove the 4-wheel drive selector boot by gently pulling upward. Next, remove the trim panel that surrounds this selector lever with a pry tool, prying upward gently until all clips have disengaged. Remove this panel from the vehicle. Using the supplied template, trace out the area to be cut and use a Dremel tool to cut the material for a clearance. A 1/8 drill bit can be used to drill the holes for the mounting screws. If you have already installed our Jeep Level 1-C kit at a previous time, detach the lever control unit and remove the rubber mat to add the tower control knob. Now you can finish running the level control portion of the audio harness into the console and connect it to the level control knob. Reinstall the panel and make sure the harness clears the 4-wheel drive selector's moving mechanism. Pry the carpet panel off and feed the wire harness that will be connected to the SYN DX4 towards the rear roll bar. Using the pry tool, start by separating the side panels from the roll bar. Where the seatbelt meets the roll bar, pry the cover from the side panels. Here you will separate the panels and continue to run the wiring up the roll bar. You can reconnect the side panels once complete. Repeat this process on the other side. Remove the TC3 clip and then separate the connector from the clamp. The connector will have a white interior. Attach the connector to the mounting base using the 2 screws provided. On the back side of the base, there will be 2 inner small screws. Remove those screws to pull out the inner part of the 6-pin connector. We are removing the 6-pin connector because the harness already provides one. Using the same hardware, install the new connector that is part of the tower harness. The adapter bracket can now be installed onto the vehicle. Using the shorter screws supplied with the kit, mount the bracket onto the back end of the roll bar. Reinstall the lower trim panels. Install the speakers on the adapter bracket and fasten with the locking bolt from the rear. To install the grill, be sure to go in a star-like pattern for the screws. To ensure your grill is in the proper position, the Wet Sounds logo should be vertical in between where two screws line up. Once complete, the screws should be horizontal with each other. The final step before bringing the party is to tighten the terminals on the fuse block.
And that's it. Your Jeep Wrangler is now outfitted with the ultimate audio experience, courtesy of Wet Sounds. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. If you're looking for more info on our Jeep kit, visit wetsounds.com or give us an email at info@wetsounds.com. And remember, the rubber ducky is not included.